Hey guys, this is Juno and today we will be reviewing this amazing new gear, Asus Vivobook A412, packed with amazing high specs. Let's get started. Right off the bat, you can see the design looks amazing. The display bezel is much slim compared to previous model, plus you get anti-glare, which is a great addition, and the overall ergonomic is solid. On the left, we get a power port, HDMI, USB Type-A and USB Type-C, in addition a headphone jack. On the right, we have a locking system, USB Type-A and a micro SD card. Despite its slim bezel, Asus did not sacrifice the important ports that we need in our daily life. Now the ErgoLift, that's what Asus calls it as. It elevates the keyboard for a comfortable typing position. What a view. The specs are an i7, 16GB of RAM, DDR4, 1080p display rocking NVIDIA MX130 with SSD storage. In addition, it supports 5GHz Wi-Fi, which is a great speed and responsiveness. Do keep in mind that this gear is ideal for business, school, and moderate 3D renders. It may look compact and simple, however, it is geared with highest specs with all of the important ports with no usual overheat, which is a bonus. Speaking of bonus, the gear has a backlit keyboard so you can use it with ease at night, and a true to live feature which smoothens the motion when playing a game or video as shown. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.